Today we're taking a look at the third iteration of Space65 by Gray Studios. This board was made popular due to the iconic RGB LED side strip and the famously aesthetic videos produced by Wildcat. Before we start, I apologize for the lack of uploads lately. I'm currently mid-move and work has been quite busy, but I promise that I have some fun projects coming in May, so I appreciate all of you sticking around. The group buy for this board will be running until April 18th, so make sure you check out the link below if you haven't yet. In true Gray Studios fashion, there are some goodies like screwdriver, tweezers, and magnetizer included in the kit to help you build. Moving on to the parts, we have the hot swap PCB shown in this video, and I gotta say the flex cuts and the choice of PCB color used both made me feel some type of way. Solder PCB option is also available, so don't worry if that's your thing. In terms of foam configs, the kit includes plate, case, and the current trend meta PE foam, so you can play around with the different combinations to see what you prefer. For plates, PC, Palm, and FR4 are available, and I'll be using the Palm plate in today's build as a lot of you seem to prefer Palm. And the board uses a daughter board, which is perfect when paired with such flexible plate and PCB. For the stabs, I'm using cherry clip-ins clipped and modded with PTFE tape. And we'll be opting in for the plate foam for this particular build. To complement the Palm plate, I decided to go with the red jacket linears by KNC Keys that I've been saving for this build. The red jackets are long pole palm stems in full nylon housings, which come pre-lubed from the factory. Currently, they are actually one of my favorite factory lube linears. As per usual with any hot swap PCBs, make sure to support the socket on the back side when you're installing the switches. Again, the colorway I received is the Quicksilver version, made up of silver main case parts and black aluminum accent pieces. Let's quickly install the feet before we get assembling. As you'll see, the main case is a 3-piece design, with the bottom piece being mounted from the inside for a screwless look. The gasket implementation looked a bit unique. It's basically the popular gasket sock design, but with a thin, long tail piece that ensure the plate does not touch the case directly. I figured I would point out the little foam strip to help stop light bleed from the top LED, as I don't think I've seen this in the previous generations of Space65 build videos. Assembly is quite intuitive. Place your top case upside down on a flat surface, then seat your PCB assembly in, and top it off with the bottom case. One thing to highlight here, please don't make the same mistake as I did and make sure your JST cable is connected to your PCB before placing the PCB assembly, as it's nearly impossible to plug the JST cable in after the bottom case is screwed on. Now with the assembly ready, you simply connect the JST cable to the daughter board screwed onto the bottommost layer. Also a quick apology for the wonky exposure here, as the weather was absolutely crazy this day. To fasten everything together, you'll need to screw in the bottommost layer through the plate holes from the top side. Keycap choice for this sleek silver build is going to be the PBT seal by Kinetic Labs, and I'm also topping it off with a shishi in a similar colorway to finish the look. Just before we wrap up, I once again apologize for the delayed upload of this video, and I hope that you enjoyed what I was able to piece together before the group buy was over. Also a huge thanks to Potter and the Gray Studios team for trusting me with this beautiful unit. I can't wait to see what other new designs the team will release in 2022. And last but not least, here is the full sound test.